Hey everybody, so I thought, let me see if I can move you a little bit, I would share what I got out of the garden today in November. I got a watermelon, I got a pile of collard greens and they're still growing out there. I got some jalapenos and there's still a bunch more out there. I've got green beans and another bag of green beans and cayenne peppers, and I still have oodles and oodles of cayenne peppers out there, and I'm just letting those dry, and I'll be grinding them into cayenne pepper. I'm going to be making salsa, so I have a bunch of bell peppers out there I need to pick, and then I have some in the refrigerator. I have some squash growing. There's still some watermelons out there, but I don't know if they'll come to maturity. Cantaloupe. There's still green beans growing. And yeah, so just showing you that there are still things growing out there. So I have to can all of this stuff up, prep it, and get it in jars. So I just wanted to share. If you like greens, this is a super easy plant to grow, and they will keep growing up until a hard frost. So I'm just going to leave them out there and keep doing their thing. I've already done 2 batches, so I think this will be my 3rd batch. And I'm going to snap and wash these green beans and just can them up with some salt and a little bit of bacon. Do these. I'll prep this watermelon. Might have a salad one day. We have storms moving in tonight into tomorrow with potential severe weather, so we'll see what happens with that. I will do my salsa, and that's when I'll pick the bell peppers. And then the rest of the jalapenos, I still have plenty of pickled jalapenos, cowboy candy, cowgirl candy. So I will probably prep the rest that I pick for, what do you call them, poppers. So I'll stuff them with cream cheese, batter them, coat them with the coating, put them in the freezer, let them freeze on a tray, and then put them in a bag, and then whenever we want poppers, you just fry them up or put them in the air fryer or the oven or however people would like to do their poppers. But yeah, not bad for, what is it, November 3rd. So yep, I'm gonna get busy and get this stuff in the canner because we don't want to waste any food. But I would highly recommend, if you like greens, super easy to grow up until a hard frost, and you get a plethora of them, and you can use any kind of meat to flavor it, or you can do them vegan with just some seasonings. You can do them spicy, you can do them mild, you can do them in a vegetable broth. So yeah, there are a ton of ways you can do your greens, and these aren't nearly as dirty as the ones you get in the store. If you buy any in the store or the farmer's market, you'll want to wash them like 5 times really well. So anyways, I thought I would share. I hope you all are doing well. I'm not going to do a video on the green beans or the collards because or the salsa. I have salsa videos out there, and I think I did even a video last year of the cayenne peppers. That was actually a volunteer plant because I would just throw the ones that were damaged or not in good shape, and I left the ones when winter hit. I just pulled them off and left them on the ground, the peppers, in the bed. And so that was a volunteer plant that I didn't plan on growing, so it cost me nothing. So anyways, my hubby is home. Dogs are going to get crazy. I will see you soon. You take care. You stay safe. You stay healthy. I forgot to mention that I will be giving out seeds once I'm finished collecting everything and drying them. So I will let you guys know, and I will give out what I can. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. I have bell pepper so far, jalapeno. I'll see if I can get some cayenne, walking onions, watermelon. Here's some I have so far. So these are the yellow watermelon seeds. Already have them dried and bagged up. I have bell pepper seeds drying, and there are some walking onions in there. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that we'll be giving away some seeds. It won't be a plethora, but it'll be something to get you started. So anyways, yeah, just wanted to say that.